What is science? This question is often asked by the people, usually by the layman. Science is a data based upon observation, study, and experimentation. Basically, science is a triangle. On one side of the triangle, there is observation, another is study, and third is experimentation. In order to understand this phenomena of triangle, we have to see the two statements, whether they are science or not. First statement is Earth attracts bodies towards itself. Have you ever seen that the things which fell goes to the ground or upward to the sky? It's often seen that things fall down. So it is correct according to our observation. Have you ever studied this in book that Earth attracts bodies itself?
Yes, numerous times.
Numerous times. It means that this statement is correct according to the study. Then we can have an experiment. This is a marker. If I left it, if sky will attract, it will go upward. If Earth will attract, it will come downward. Oh, that fall on the table. It means experimentally this statement is right. So this is a science. This is a data. Data means accepted thing. There is established fact. Nobody denies it. A fan run by electricity, anybody denies it? No. It means it's an established fact. When you place water in fridge at 0 degrees centigrade, it turns to ice. Is it true or wrong? True. Everything of the science is the established fact, established data, undeniable data. So see another statement that bull can fly in the air. Have you ever observed, Sadaf, that bull is flying in the air? You are lying in your courtyard and see upward and the bull is flying over your head? No. So it is wrong according to our observation. We have never seen it. Have you ever studied any book of science?
Never.
No, we have to experiment. We take the bull to an open place and beat it up. If it has wings, it will definitely fly. As all birds, when they are threatened or beaten up, they fly away. So, what do you think? Bull will fly? No. So, our hypothetical experiment proved that this is wrong according to our experiment. So, it is not a science, it is a bullshit. So, what is science? Science is a data based upon observation, study, and experimentation. And then there is another dimension of definition, which is the practical definition of the science, is that it makes the target easier. In ancient time, people have the target to get cold water. Women's and men's used to go to the riverside or canal where there's an oak tree. Under the oak tree there's a water pump. They used to pump it for a long time. After that they used to get cold water and they fill it in their pitcher and take back to the home. But no, you take a water and place in the freezer or refrigerator. After half an hour you will have a cold, almost icy water. So science has made your target easier. Second example, people used to travel. They have to use camels, horses, mules, etc. Even walk on their foots. But no, you hire a taxi. You can take a bus and then you will reach your destination with effortless ease. Science has made your target easier. Similarly, the science is a knowledge which is double-edged. It gives benefit, it also gives another edges that is harmful. In harmful field, it has made many things which are now people debating to stop it. In ancient time, people used to fight with the swords. They were fighting with the axe and etc. They were feeling great difficulty. But now in the modern day, you see that there are many weapons, sophisticated guns have come into the market, and even atomic bombs and hydrogen bombs and lot of other things have come into the market. And Michio Kaku has rightly said that science is a dagger with double edge. Its one edge is beneficial and another edge is a disastrous. And now world community is up to used only one side, and it should be a dagger with one edge. That is the only beneficial use, because peace is very important to all, and should be important. So I have given you two simpler definitions of science. Hope you will have followed it. Thank you.